हाँ जी लेट्स स्टार्ट प्लीज 3, 2, 1 start. We can see comma therefore comma that the common expression commas begin a long life, commas close, and commas begin a short life, commas close have real meaning only when thought of in relation to the life of the man in the street, comma, the number of years on which insurance companies base their figures, full stop, but we seem at present ready to ask questions and willing to hear the answer, comma, so let us ask one or two further questions, full stop. What do the words commas begin, long commas close, and short commas begin and commas close mean when used in regard to distance, question mark? What do we mean when we say a place is near or far? When we say a thing is of light weight or is heavy, comma, when we say that we are moving more or less quickly, question mark? What do we mean when we say that an object is great or is small, question mark? We find that all these expressions have real meaning only when one object is considered in relation to some other object, full stop. Nothing can be long or short, comma, big or small, comma, light or heavy, comma, of itself, full stop. It can be these things only when considered in relation to some other object. New para, the life of a man is short almost beyond measure when considered side by side with the life of man upon earth, comma, past and future, full stop. So, comma, to, comma, is any distance we have upon earth short beyond measure when considered side by side with the distances which are beyond the earth, full stop. If we move round the earth in a straight line, the biggest distance we can cover is about 25,000 miles, full stop. But if we look far, far out beyond the earth, we are faced with distances in relation to which 25,000 miles are as nothing, full stop. The most distant object of which observations can at present be made in thought to be 140 million light years away from the earth, full stop. Light, comma, as we know, comma, moves at 6,000 miles a second, which it is seemed agreed, comma, it is considerable rate, full stop. 1 light year is the distance which light covers moving throughout the air at a rate of 6,000 miles a second, full stop. When, comma, therefore, comma, it is stated that nothing is at a distance from us of 140 million light years, a distance is represented which it is beyond our powers to picture, full stop. Our earth is large if measured by other objects upon the earth, but it is a small thing of no importance whatever when measured by object outside the earth, when measured by the size of some of the great masses of burning matter which we see as points of light above us at night. New para. We tell our friends, perhaps, that our weight is this or is that, but here again we meet with difficulties. Full stop. Our weight is different in different parts of the world, while if we found ourselves on a body smaller than the earth, we should be so light that we could move about with an ease impossible here. Full stop. On the other hand, if we found ourselves on a body much bigger than the earth, we should be so heavy that we could hardly move at all. New para. We read in the newspaper that a plane has reached the wonderful rate of over 600 miles an hour, but what is the rate like this when thought of side by side with the rate at which light moves? As for movements to the north or to the south, to the east or to the west, we know that our movement can be judged only in relation to some other object which is at rest, or which can be said to the moving at a given rate away from or towards us. Full stop. The earth itself is turning at a great rate, and we do not feel this movement itself is turning at a great rate, and we do not feel this movement of itself. Full stop. We can judge the movement of the earth only in relation to some other object which is not moving with it. Full stop. We have probably all had the experience of not moving with it, being able to tell which way a train is moving at night when we can see anything out of the windows. Full stop. We cannot tell which way we are moving or at what rate we are moving except in relation to another object which is not moving with us. New para. And so we find that many of the common expressions of daily life have no meaning in themselves and become real for us only when considered in relation to some other facts or an object.